Ooh, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching this video and you found this video because you're searching for a working legit method of getting free PSN codes. Also, you can refer to these as free PSN gift card codes. As you're probably aware, they're pretty expensive. Usually it costs around 1-to-1, so if you want a $100 gift card code, it usually costs you about $100. I'm going to be showing you today a completely legit method of getting you free PSN codes that you can redeem, and it will credit your PlayStation account a balance, and you can purchase any of the latest games. And yeah, it's pretty easy. I'm going to be showing you these steps now. So you can do this on your mobile phone. I actually probably recommend you do it on your mobile. I'm using my laptop simply because it's easier to show. But yeah, go to the internet and type in this website, guys, www.wavycoupons.com. So you need to go to wavycoupons.com, and this website is awesome. I found them a few months ago, and as a result they've saved me so much money already. As you can see on my screen here, they have tons and tons of different pages ranging from Amazon to Xbox to, of course, PlayStation. So hit the search bar at the top of the screen and type in PlayStation. And you're looking for this, obviously the blue PlayStation logo. You can see where my cursor is, and it says free PSN gift cards and coupons. So click on that page. So just navigate your way to this page, guys, and scroll down. You can see there are a few different codes ranging from PSN gift card codes to get any game for free, or you can even get a PS Plus membership. So these are sort of coupon codes that can be redeemed within the PlayStation Store. I'm going to click on show coupon on this $100 free PSN gift card code. And you can see, guys, we need to unlock the PSN code. Obviously these are pretty valuable, so this prevents someone from stealing the codes. So tap unlock code and let's start the process of getting our free PSN code. So you're going to see the screen here. Now if you do it on your mobile phone, you're going to be seeing a slightly different screen, but it's the same principle. We need to basically verify to get our free PSN code, and to do that we need to fully complete 2 of the tasks listed on this screen. Now if you do it on your mobile, you're going to have a lot more options. You're going to get some free games that are fun to play, and you just need to basically follow the instructions and complete 2 of them. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this survey, for example, and I'm going to answer the questions. And then it's going to ask me to input a valid and correct email address, which I'm going to do now. So I'm going to pause the video whilst I do this survey. Then I'm going to obviously complete the second one as well. And then when I come back, we can check if it gives me my free PSN code. I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, so that took me around 5 to 10 minutes just to fully complete 2 of those tasks. So I went ahead and completed those 2. This one was a survey. This one was just basically installing a internet browser, Opera, which is pretty cool. If you do it on your mobile, you're going to see slightly different tasks, but they're all completely free. So because I've fully completed the steps, I'm going to see this PSN coupons tab up here. So this tab should open up once you've fully completed the instructions. So then scroll back down and click on the coupon that you wanted to unlock. And there you go. It's now revealed my PSN code, and this code I can copy and literally enter it into my PlayStation or on the Sony website, and it's going to credit me $100 into my PSN account. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment below if you need any help, but it's pretty easy. So yeah, go ahead and get your free PSN codes now. So go to wavycoupons.com. and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.